to switch my career now. So how important can be Power BI for me to switch my career?
Yes, very important, because these skills, especially nowadays, every job when you are getting here, they must check your skills. Now,
Definitely, yeah.
my experience says that the degree things are now checked later. It's a secondary thing. Primary things are skill.
Yes.
Every company first check your skill level. Then, in case if they have some requirement of degree or something, they check your education background as well. But skill is on the top. So this is a skill lecture, and as I told you, it fits every department. So whatever field, wherever you are going, you are in maybe in banking, or maybe you are in some procurement side, or HR, logistic. See, just take an example. These two softwares, Excel and Power BI, fits everywhere. So if you go with this skill and you say, yes, I have a data analytical skills as well, so it will definitely give you a plus point, and there's a good chances for the new job.